What's up, everybody? Back with some more low heat on feet reviews for you. I need a new intro. Do I need a catchphrase intro? Everyone says "What's up?" I don't know. Whatever. Until it comes to me, I'm saying "What's up, everybody?" I think that's good enough. Anyways, today I'm reviewing two of Nike's Gore-Tex shoes, as you can see that I'm wearing on my feet. I think these aren't hype. We'll see how this video does. My on feet reviews, sometimes they do all right, sometimes they don't, but whatever. This is for all of you wondering about the Gore-Tex Nike shoes and how good they are, whether you should cop a pair or not. First, on my right foot, I got the Nike React Type GTX. This is part of their like N354 kind of division line. A little bit more of their like experimental sportswear stuff. So as you can see, it's a React runner. Well, the React kind of refers to the sole and the midsole. It's got that React technology, foam technology. And there's that kind of signature look on the heel and the forefoot. And first off, right off the bat, these are kind of designed to be like running shoes, but any true runner, you're not going with Nikes for the most part. So I would not recommend this for running. I use these to walk in. I've walked in these like now 10 times, 10 plus times. And yeah, if you're going for true running shoes, you're getting another model. Either signature Nike running shoe, or you're going to another brand. So let's get that out of the way. That being said, as far as like walking shoes, etc., or light exercise, I recommend these. These are exactly what I got them for. I got these for when it's raining. And that's what I got them for. So if you want to do exercise outside, maybe some light running while it's raining. But I did wear these through mud, and I did this video kind of at like later in the day, so I don't know if you can tell the dirt. I think these are perfect for if you're, it's raining in New York, rain in the city, but countryside hiking, you will get dirty if you get the white models, and I think these only came in white to begin with, at least. And I'm trying to do an on-camera cleaning to see how well this gets off. So you can tell on the toe there's still just some dirt that's sticking around. So again, I would highly recommend these for wearing traveling in town, in the city, if it's raining. These are great. They'll stay white for the most part if it's just rain. If you want street running shoes while it's raining, I highly recommend looking at the new, I think it's the Nike Pegasus Gore-Tex shoes that came out. I think the Pegasus is a better running shoe. I'm not a runner, so don't take my word for it, but go to someone who knows running better. But in my out of shape 30-year-old opinion, of someone who used to exercise more, I think the Pegasus is a better running shoe. So look at that Gore-Tex version, if you want to run in the rain, etc. This is more for, your tech outfit with your tech wear pants, when it's a little wet out. So yeah, here it is up close. Here, I'll get up. I've been sitting. Again, okay, so now that reminds me, it's the fit. I always go half size up on kind of athletic shoes like this from Nike for the most part, and so I have plenty of room here. It is tight on the top. Like I wore these on a short trip on the plane. It gets tight up the top, if you know what I'm talking about. So if you're going to actually do exercise in these, you might want them a little tighter, maybe get true to size and break them in. Maybe that's, your style. I've also been told, for runners, they go half size up. I don't know what's the truth. Again, you in the audience are probably more knowledgeable than I am, but going half size up, plenty of toe room. That being said, it was still a little tight around the upper. So I would suggest either going half size up, or if you're a skinny boy or a girl, maybe you can go true to size and it won't be too tight on the upper. You can obviously lace them looser, but like as you can see, I'm already laced pretty loose. So all you chunky boys, go a half size up. But yeah, so that's my thoughts on these. On the socks, no show socks I think will fall down. Also, just regular ankle socks will fall down if they have a really loose ankle. So wear either high socks or true ankle socks that are still have elastic around the top. No show socks I think will fall down. I hate, at least on me, they always do. I hate when that happens. Anyways, I like the look of them. I recommend them if you can get them on sale and you're not planning on like doing a ton of running in them. If you're planning on doing a ton of running, go the Pegasus route. So that's my thoughts on these. Here's what it says on the internet. The React Type GTX design is based on a prototype Nike Air Teleria from 1997. So there you go. See, I didn't even have to memorize that or look that up. It came in the shoe. Anyways, I think it's a cool looking shoe. Recommend if you can get these under retail. Don't recommend them if they're like full retail. I got these on sale. So yeah. All right, on to the next shoe. I'm already 5 minutes over. Appreciate you if you're still with me. If you're still with me, please give me a subscribe and follow. That would be much appreciated. Follow my Instagram, etc. Coming out with more videos. Appreciate all you who got me to 113 subscribers. Okay, on to the next shoe, the Air Force One Gore-Tex. GTX standing for Gore-Tex. Air Force One Gore-Tex. Now these come in a million different not million, I'm exaggerating. These come in a lot of different colorways. I got the tan model here, and I think it's the best colorway of all the models. I recommend it. It's sold out. This is like one of the few of the colorways that is like probably you have to get resale for a little bit above the retail price. Most of the other colorways you can get on sale or retail. I really like, other than this colorway, I really like the black ones. The black ones and the yellow ones. Both the black ones and the yellow ones with this Gore-Tex on the side make them look very similar, like just knockoff, low rent, off-white Air Force Ones. But you know what? They're high quality because they're Gore-Tex. These I love. I'm not an Air Force One guy. If you've watched my other videos, all 5 of you and mom and my brother, I apologize for keep repeating this, but most of you probably haven't watched my other videos. I'm not an Air Force One guy, but I've bought now a few, and I'm liking these ones. I do like these Air Force Ones. They got the Gore-Tex on the liner inside. I think these go with everything, especially this colorway. They are relatively waterproof. If you get water on the toe box, I feel like it has gotten wet sometimes, but these are perfect for traveling when you don't know what weather it'll be, inclement weather. I think I took these, what inspired this video is I took these both on a recent trip. Should have led the video with that. And these were my 2 pairs I took. These for, if we went out, couldn't really go out, because of COVID, etc. But these for just more going out and fit with more of the stuff, and this for like in the mornings, walking, etc., doing light exercise. I forgot to show the bottoms of these. There they are really quick. Man, I'm all over in this video. I don't make notes. I just kind of freestyle these. Probably should come up with a game plan more. So I apologize. Again, I appreciate all you who are still watching. Here's the soles of these. I've worn these quite a bit now, and I really like the colorway. On these, again, it's more of the colorway for me. I love these. It's up to you. Take a look. These are on the Nike store. A bunch are under retail, but I think these are the best colorway. And so I do also recommend I got these on sale. I do recommend these if you can find these on sale. For retail, if you love them, you need an all-weather shoe, recommend them. These are, again, great for the city, certain cities. If you're in Chicago, the Northwest, East Coast, these are great. Great fall, spring shoes, on both pairs, really. These, because they're tan, they don't pick up as much dirt. I think these go well. These go well with, obviously pants, but higher sock. I just wore these because this is what I was wearing for the video. I'll walk around in these again. So anyways, to wrap this up, feel free, if you can find these shoes on sale, recommend these. This one just for light exercising. Chunky boys go a half size up, but beware the upper might still even be tight with that. Skinny boys, go ahead, go either true to size or a half size up if that's your preference. These Air Force Ones, on Air Force Ones, these I went a half size up because I think I had to, per what was available at the time. And I thought I might wear thicker socks with these because these are kind of fall shoes. I thought I'd wear thicker socks. So either go true to size or a half size up works for me. They're a little clunky with these huge Air Force One soles. Yeah, that's about it. Comment below what you think of the Gore-Tex infused Nikes, and is there any other Gore-Tex shoes that you like? I know Timberland just put out some hiking shoes that were Gore-Tex. A bunch of brands do work with Gore-Tex, so I'd love to know what you think. I took some artistic photos of these on my Instagram page, so check that out. Give those a like. I really like the photos I took. Now I'm just wasting time. Watch my next videos.